Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
All right, furniture nerds, gonna do a quick review for this jewelry cabinet drawer that I just put together. Got some of those nice crystal hangers right there in the back. Nice long mirror right here. And of course, right here you have a pull-out kind of storage unit. You can hang everything from, small necklaces, maybe rings, polish, all sorts of stuff that you can hang on this. So you got that, and it just slides right in like this. It also has this wooden rod right here for you to hang maybe larger garments or something like that. So then there's some more crystal hangers in the back right there. And then of course, it swivels. So upon seeing this initially, definitely give it a thumbs up. Check it out.